Pebble Ross is my grandmother. We're a descendant of Thomas Ross, which is Chief John Ross's older brother. And Pebble was the matriarch of the family. She was the keeper of the Stices, or the Rosses. She had to relearn because she grew up in an area where society wanted to push that out of a person. They did not want you to be native. They did not want you to be Cherokee. But she was bringing it back into the family through learning more about the genealogy, the history of the family, what we was, and then immersed us into the Cherokee culture, like taking us to Cherokee holiday, taking us to the Trail of Tears drama when they had it in Tahlequah at Park Hill, and where she slowly started to get us more immersed into the Cherokee culture. And she did a lot of research and created a book, and she got us onto the Cherokee rolls. She did all the genealogy, found out, and then wrote a book about the Rosses and where we are today. So she was the cornerstone and the rock of the family.